Hey YouTube, it's Grawlys. I'm here with a series of videos about runes and their basic meanings. Not only of interest to Warhammer 40,000 Space Wolves players, but also anybody with just a general interest in Vikings and Norse mythology and their method of writing. So, enjoy. In this video we're going to focus on the second part of Aett, or Tyrs 8. That's runes 21 through to 24. In this video we're looking at the second part of Tyrs 8, and we shall start this with what looks like an odd upside down L. This is the rune Lagus, or Lagu. It is the letter L in the modern alphabet. And if you invert it, it is the letter L. It's kind of a bit skew with. But this is about water and crossings. Lagus was often associated in the Norse times, like 1,000 years ago, when the longships were setting out on a sea voyage. They didn't have modern navigational equipment, and it was very much these are going to be stormy waters. Do we know if we're going to get across or not? You know, is the boat going to capsize? Are we going to hit a storm? Is it going to be all right? Lagus represents that stormy waters and a crossing of water. Generally kind of ocean storms and that kind of thing. So that's Lagus. The next is Ingus, or ing. It's the ng sound rather than an I. It's the other half of that sound. It's ng. And this rune is about the male and fertility. It's very much a masculine symbol. You know, it's like, I am the man. About the god Ing and the masculinity. All about the male and being the man. That's what Ingus represents. The next, which looks like a ribbon in a loop, this is Othala. Now this is the letter O in the modern alphabet, and this rune represents family and community. That togetherness, but also the family and community and clan property. You know, what belongs to the clan. You know, we are together. This is ours. You know, this is our place. These are our possessions. You know, these are our people. You know, this is what Othala represents. And the last rune in Tyrs 8 is Degaz. Kind of an X with two sides on, or two triangles pointing inwards. This is the letter D in the modern alphabet. This is the rune of the near future and forthcoming events in the near future. Degaz, as the name sounds, day. It's a short time scale, where Yera was the long kind of like year cycle and the seasons. Degaz is this is like your 24-hour. This is imminent, about to happen. You know, whether you want to bring things about in that short time scale, you know, make things happen sooner rather than later by using Degaz, or whether this is in a prediction where it's going to happen in the very near future. Something's going to happen. The short time scale, and that's what Degaz is all about. The next video we're going to move on to some additional Anglo-Saxon and Northumbrian Futharks, so please join me in that video where we will explore more runes.